how to connect hosting or domain to Lovable AI. First, open up Lovable, then click on all projects and then select the website or web app which you want to connect the custom domain to. Next, click on publish in the top right and select add custom domain. From here, we will choose add existing domain and connect domain. Now go into Hostinger and get your domain name. So I have my domain right here. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to select manage and go into DNS/name servers. Now, if I go back to Lovable and paste my domain, if I click on connect domain, it is going to try to automatically connect it. So here is going to detect the DNS provider, and if you are signed into your Hostinger account, it is going to detect it here, or you can sign in. I'm going to show you that's one way of how you can use your custom domain or Hostinger domain on Lovable, but I'm going to show you another way. So we will need to add some records. So here for the name servers, we'll need to add an A record add, and this is going to be the value. So just copy these. So A add, and the value is going to be this one, which we just copied. Okay, we just added it. Then we need to add a txt record. This is going to be the name. So type txt, the name which we just copied. And then this is going to be the value again. Paste it and add the record. Once you have added these records, then you can click on I've added 2 records above, and it's going to tell us that we're all set. Done. Here it is going to begin verifying. It might take a few hours for it to verify, but as long as you have only these records in Hostinger, then this is going to connect it. It's going to connect your Hostinger domain to Lovable AI. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.